ICYDA President and the same time Head of ALS, Dr. Abimar Gonzaga, our iAccess President, Dr. Nieves P. Dizon, TESDA representative from the City Mayor's Office, Sir Dato, CMO Youth Alliance headed by Ma'am Norafi Escanyol, with the representative Ma'am Scarlett, and our Annalyn Yosores, other dignitaries, my dear ALS faculty, ALS coordinators, and learners, a pleasant good afternoon, everyone. Our school is, by the way, I'm Mary Jane Inlagbas, the Vice President for Administration and Finance of Iligan Access Institute of Technology, iAccess. Our school located at the newly constructed Palao Market, naa sa kilid ang amuang entrance. Okay, so I am here to give you a bright opportunity. Why? Because we are offering senior high school and junior high school, which is accredited by the Department of Education, and 20-year high school, we embedded the TESDA programs. When you enroll TVL track, you earn multiple skills. You earn not only one skill, but 2 to 3 programs. Sa mga lalaki, pwede mo makahuman o welding, AIM, and then driving. For youths, gas, and EBM, pwede mo na ay additional nga 2 TVL truck. Libre tanan ha, walay bayad. Libre consumables, libre ID, libre uniform, at kami pa ang mubayad sa inyong notarize, sa inyong mga documents. Kaya we have to approve first para maka-avail mo sa scholarships at ang payak na mubayad. 3 to 4 days. Kung wala ka naka-prepare, kaya kami karoon na ba yun may existing 49 nga mga learners last year, kaya wala man i-open o balik ang OVAC. So wala sila. So karon kung mo-open, that's why pirmahi din na inyo ang profiling para ma-ready ka. Then don't forget to butang sa inyo ang cell number and your telephone number para dali mo na mong matawagan. So aside from that, nga mong ihatag sa inyo ang libre tanan, don't worry about kung naamoy mga existing work right now. Kaya we are using blended sa ato ang training. Blended, meaning to say, sa atong theory, we will use modular. Sa ato ang actual na ito na training, sa inyo ang mga skills, maunang mag-face-to-face ta. Kaya kung tudlo mo katon mo driving, tudluan yun mo sa ito driving. Kung katon mo bread and pastry, tudluan yun mo luto. So, and we make also always balance from academics to extracurricular activities. Kaya kung wala extracurricular activities, maboard po ng mga estudyante. So, sa itong Foundation Day, napod ay contest about Dota, contest about sa mga sports, mga ball games, na katalanana. We will make it balance always. Yun ang naman ang kinabuhi. Balance. Why is it that we give you free all? Because we do believe that if we help people, blessings will follow. Si Lord na'y bahala sa mong school. Mauna mo, so since nagsugod ang iAccess, libre yun na tanan. Wala yun may nangayong bayad. No top up, no monthly fees, no entrance exam. Everything is free. Ang inyong buhaton lang yun, attend classes regularly, magdalag balon para dili magutom, and your transportation. So, if you have questions, naami diri to help you in your senior high school. Why? After graduation of your senior high school, you are attractive to the 3 exit points. What's the many 3 exit points? To become an entrepreneur, to find jobs, kay attractive man mo for job, kay naman mo yung multiple skills, and also to pursue your college dream course. Kung kugihan ka nga bata, ma-achieve ni mo ning tulo ni mo ka exit point. Nga naman, magnegosyo ka kay daghan kang skills, magluto-luto ba ka, or magkarinderya ka kay naka-eskwela ka cookery o bread and pastry, or mag-building ka, or mag-EIM ka, and then make it as leverage. Pagkabunta, eskwela ka, mo trabaho ka, pagkagabi mo eskwela ka, napakay negosyo. Bata pa ka, dali ka madato, di ba? Strategy na, and then, ubanan yun kanunay na itong pag-ampo sa Ginoo. Without God, we are nothing. Okay? So, thank you very much, and God bless us all.
Thank you, ma'am. What a bright opportunity awaits in iAccess. Now,